Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by enabling airplane mode to block radios, then selectively re-enable the connections you need. Tap Quick Settings and turn on airplane mode, then immediately open Settings so you can re-enable Wi-Fi or mobile data where Realme allows. Once done, go to SIM and Network to confirm the correct SIM is active. This ensures you limit radio exposure while restoring only required services and prepares the phone for the alternative data route Realme might expose in newer builds. Now you configure the phone to let data run despite flight restrictions. In Settings, look for airplane mode exceptions or network access options. Realme UI sometimes exposes a toggle to allow mobile data. Select the proper SIM and verify APN settings match your carrier. Incorrect APN blocks connectivity. Once you set APN, toggle airplane mode off and on twice to refresh radios or restart the phone. This forces the system to apply the permission and makes data routing stable. Finish by testing connectivity. Open a browser or run a speed test to confirm mobile data works in airplane mode. If it fails, make sure APN values match your carrier, confirm the correct SIM is selected for data, and check for Realme system updates that change behavior. You can also toggle airplane mode off briefly to reset the carrier profile. If nothing works, disable airplane mode and use normal mobile data. This pinpoints whether the restriction is firmware or carrier enforced.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.